Faded plastic is a real thing, not just on cars, but also on jet skis. Hey guys, it's Carmen with DiMaria, and as you can see, I got two different colors of plastic here. I removed the sticker, and when I remove the sticker, it looks like the sticker is still on, even though there's nothing there. So you can see how much the Wave Runner has faded over time. So I'm hopeful that our friends over at Kingvo sent us this plastic restore, that I can restore this plastic so that it matches the original black of the plastic. So let's get into this and let's see how it turns out. So the first thing we're gonna notice when we pull this out is our directions. Now, I wanna just point these out. I like the instruction manual because it is colored. It gives you detail. It actually tells you what to do beforehand, and it gives you images on what to do it. The first thing you're supposed to do is clean the plastic parts of the car, remove dust, dirt, and oil from the surface, and ensure that the surface of the plastic parts is dry and dust-free. That's taken care of. Now we're gonna put the product on the sponge and we're gonna go from there. So in the plastic restore kit, we have rubber gloves, of course. We also have this nice applicator pad, and of course, the plastic restore. So this is a instant black and shiny ceramic coating, non-greasy, streak-free, long-lasting UV protection, resist rain and washing dirt. So this is exactly what we're looking for. This is perfect on a jet ski, which is gonna see a lot of sun. It's gonna see a lot of water. So I'm really hopeful that this is gonna turn out really nice. So we're gonna get this nice and shaken up really well. And then we're just gonna put a couple drops on this applicator pad and we're gonna give it a quick test and we're gonna see how this looks. All right. So, it has another plastic cover on there, which is good. So you're not just losing any, it's not spilling. All right, here we go. The product itself appears to be black in color as it's coming out of the bottle. You can kind of see. I'm just gonna put some drops all around and have a nice little base and not just one streak. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna close the lid here, wipe off any excess on my pad, and put my lid on. All right, here goes nothing. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that? Oh wow. That's exactly what I was hoping it was gonna do. Look at that. Okay. Well, that worked great. Look at that. Okay. That looks brand new now. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the next few hours. So let's go ahead and pull this in so you can actually see how cool this looks. Look at that. That looks brand new. That looks like brand new plastic compared to that. You can see where the sticker is a little bit, but that's not bad after one quick application. I'm sure once I wipe it all down, we'll get it nice and blended. So I'm impressed already. That was a real quick way to test this product out. And so far, I like what I see. So now I'm gonna just continue doing what I'm doing and I'm gonna coat the whole jet ski. So if you're in a situation where your plastic is faded and you wanna restore it and bring it back to brand new, go check out my friends over at Kingvo and get yourself some of this plastic restore.